Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add music on YouTube Shorts without copyright. So let's get started. First, let's open up YouTube. Now click on the plus button down here to create a short video. So I'm just going to record a short video as an example. Alright, that should be good. Once you're done recording, or once you have your video, click on Add Sound at the top. Then from here, you can pick any sound that you want to use for your short video. For example, I'm going to pick this one. All you have to do is click on this blue button. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.